followers, welcome to our channel. My name is Ron the Lily, and I'm really excited to begin this venture with my brother. We are going to share with you anything and all things tech, from photography to drones to computers, even Raspberry Pis. We're excited to work together, a collaboration between two brothers to bring you out there in the YouTube world fresh ideas, our thoughts, our opinions, a real review of all things tech.
Hey YouTube, and all you viewers out there, my name is Dan Robinson. Welcome to Two Brother Tech Reviews. Excited to start a channel with my brother. This channel will be going over all the new technology coming into the industry, aerial photography, drones, aviation. Whatever we can get our hands on, we'll do a simple tech review. We'll be honest and give you our opinions on the product, and hopefully you'll be able to learn a lot from this channel. Again, welcome to Two Brother Tech Reviews.